Introducing South African Airways, where comfort meets elegance. Experience the warmth of Africa with South African Airways. As the national flag carrier, we proudly connect you to the vibrant cultures, stunning landscapes, and untamed wildlife of Africa. Enjoying unparalleled comfort and our service on our modern fleet. Business class, lie flat beds, gourmet cuisines and priority check-in. Premium economy, enhanced legroom, upgraded amenities and priority boarding. Economy class, comfortable seating, delicious meals and in-flight entertainment. Explore the breathtaking beauty of Africa, from the Table Mountains to the Capetown stunning coastlines, the majestic Victoria Falls and Zimbabwe's wilderness, the vibrant city of Johannesburg and Durban. With seamless connections and warm hospitality, South African Airways makes your journey effortless. Fly with us and Fly with Yampa Travels and experience the spirit of Africa. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels and turn on the notification bell for more updates.